What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leo, and today I'm just going to give you an update for the master bathroom. So let's go ahead and flip the camera. Alright, so we're about to enter the den area, and here's the master bathroom. This is an update, as you can see. Looking real nice. With the flooring. And I know they still gotta put on the mirror, but just look at the accent, the black accent. I'm glad they just put this up today. And I just turned on the water just to test it out, and it looks amazing. And we got this, the tub. We'll install a new toilet. Gotta change out this too, and the lighting above. But other than that, this is a really nice progress. And this is exactly what I imagine it to be. Alright, so tell me what y'all think. If you guys like it so far, the progress. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Share this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I dress even better. I think I look better, baby. I really can't be comprehending what the fuck you brings to the table, I guess. He wear that fucking bottle shirt and khakis. I'm wearing my Ricky's a word. Girl, my heart breaks in pieces.